Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an end portal in Minecraft on all platforms. Okay, so if you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, before we jump straight into it, there's just one important note that you can't go and make an end portal in Minecraft survival mode. You can only make it in creative mode. Of course, you could go and switch from survival to creator to do it. So if you want to go to the end of Minecraft survival mode, then what you need to do is go and find the end portal. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is once you're in the creative is to go and open up your inventory like this. And then we need to go and get all the pieces that we need to make the end portal. Okay, so in the search items, just type in end, and then we're going to need to actually select the end portal. So end portal frame. Okay, and then we need the Eye of Ender. You don't need to actually use the Ender Pro as we can see the Eye of Ender is actually a modified version of that. The next thing you want to do is actually place one of the frames down like so. So as you can see, what we want to do once we've placed down the end portal is the two individual light green squares are facing outwards, and then we have the other combination of squares facing top and bottom. It'll make sense if you keep watching. And the next thing you want to do is then do exactly the same next to it. So place another one next to it, exactly the same formation of the squares, and then again another. So keeping these patterns in formation is really important. Then you just want to turn 90 degrees and do exactly the same thing. Do another 3. As long as you just keep yourself inside the portal as well. And rotate again and another 3. Like so. And then complete it on the other side. Cool, okay. So as we can see here, we just do a bird's eye view of all the end portals put together. We've got all the patterns the same way around. So the two lighter dots are on the side, all matching up, and then the other formation is on the outer bit. So the top and the bottom facing outside of the end portal and inside the end portal. Okay, so once we're happy with the end portals, now we need to switch to the Eye of Ender, and we literally need to put them each individually into the end portal. So we're just going to do one like that, 1, 2, 3, and then again 1, 2, 3, and then again around each side, and then just to finish off. Okay, great. And then as you can see, the portal then goes and appears. So at this point, then you can go to the end and actually go and defeat the Ender Dragon. So some common reasons of why the end portal isn't working, as I said before, is people go and place the frames the wrong way round. So for example, if I place one portal like this, a lot of people will then actually place the next portal and match up the wrong side. So here we've got the two squares facing inwards rather than, in reality, the bigger ones need to be the ones facing inwards. So as you can see here, if you just went and followed the exact steps I showed you in this guide, it's basically how it's going to go and work. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That is how to make an end portal in Minecraft, and I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.